Okay, welcome back. We have our quad example 2 that we're going to introduce here. What we're going to do here, we're going to set this quad up on top of this rectangle. So what we're visualizing is that this is a base of a house, we'll say, for our structure drawing. And what we're going to do, we're going to place a quad that it overhangs a little bit off of this base. And it's going to come over here, and it's going to overhang a little bit. And then it's going to come in on a slight angle, across, and then down on a slight angle. So that'll be our roof, and it's going to be in a quad shape. So let's see if we could do this. So again, we're going to start off with a quad. And for this one, I'm going to base the roof off of this rectangle. So I know that I came in 100 pixels here for the corner of this house, or the rectangle. And I came down 200 pixels to reach this top left corner of this rectangle. So I'm going to base this quad off of that. So my first number I'm going to be using is 95 because I want it to be a little bit of an overhang. Again, it's going to stick out to right about here where the mouse controller is. Okay. Next, I know I'm coming down 200 because that's given where the top of the rectangle is. Now, what I'm going to do, I know that the roof, the base of the house is 200 pixels long and length. So I have my 100 to get to this corner of the roof, or of the base of the house. I have 200 here, so that's 300, and then I want it to overhang a little bit. So I'm going to place this one at 305. Okay, so type in 305 here. And again, it's at 200 pixels down along the y-axis. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take it from here, and I'm going to just take off 25 pixels, so I get a nice little angle on here. So I'm going to take 305, and I'm going to subtract 25 to make that little angle. So again, I'm going across the x-axis, 25 pixels. So 305 minus 25 would give me 280. And now along the y-axis, like how far down do I want? Well, I'm thinking maybe 150. So it's going to be a 50 pixel roof height. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up to 150. And now it's going to come across here. And again, since I know that this is 95, and I'm going to bring it on an angle to get that little roof line there. If I add 25 pixels to 95, I know I get 120. So here we go. And I want this to be a straight line going across, so I'm going to use 150 again. There you go. I get a nice quad for my roof line. Again, this one right here, it's coming in 95 pixels. It's coming down 200 pixels. It's going across to 200, excuse me, to 305 here. Notice a little overhang there. And again, it's coming down 200 pixels. Then we're going up on an angle of, we're reducing it by 25 pixels right here to get that little angle. Again, this came down along the y-axis to 150 across. Again, I took this 95 and I added 25 pixels to get the 120 here. Again, it came down 150. So that should give you a nice looking start of a structure to a house, if that's so what you choose to do. Alrighty, hopefully this helps out with another quad example. Best of luck. Let me know if you have questions.